The 2026 Tesla Model Motorhome takes the concept of electric mobility to an entirely new level, blending the freedom of life on the road with the sophistication of cutting-edge Tesla technology. Designed for modern travelers, digital nomads, and eco-conscious families, this next-generation motorhome pushes boundaries with its futuristic design, intelligent systems, and zero-emission performance. Built on a redesigned version of Tesla's Cybertruck and semi-platforms, the Model Motorhome has an aggressive yet elegant look. The exterior is constructed with Tesla's ultra-steel exoskeleton for added durability and impact resistance, while the minimalist body lines and curved solar roof panels give it a sleek and futuristic silhouette. The retractable solar wings expand when parked, providing additional charging capacity and acting as awnings for shade. Every angle of the vehicle screams innovation, powering the 2026 Tesla Motorhome is the new Gen 4 tri-motor setup combined with a 200 kilowatt-hour structural battery pack. This configuration delivers more than 600 miles of range on a single charge, with the added benefit of real-time energy optimization through Tesla's AI-based smart grid system. The onboard system constantly monitors sunlight, terrain, and energy consumption, balancing between drive mode, appliance use, and battery storage. Integrated solar charging and V4 supercharger compatibility ensure you're never far from your next destination. Step inside, and the experience is like walking into a luxury apartment fused with a spaceship. The motorhome's interior is completely modular, allowing for custom configurations based on user preference. At the front, the cockpit features Tesla's signature yoke steering, a panoramic digital dash, and full integration with Tesla Vision and Autopilot X. The driver's area transitions seamlessly into the living space, where you'll find a large L-shaped sofa that converts into an extra bed, a multi-use dining area, and floor-to-ceiling smart windows with electrochromic tinting. The fully equipped kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, dual-zone smart fridge, steam oven, and touch-controlled cabinets. Everything runs on the vehicle's electric system, with no reliance on propane or gas. A Tesla Smart Hub tablet is mounted on the wall for full control over lighting, temperature, appliances, and entertainment. The bathroom is equally high-tech, featuring a rainfall shower with water recycling, a composting toilet with odor-neutralizing tech, and ambient lighting. Toward the rear, a private bedroom suite includes a queen-size Tesla Cloud bed, customizable underglow lighting, and a personal entertainment screen. Noise-canceling insulation ensures peaceful sleep no matter where you're parked. For safety and security, the motorhome features Tesla's latest driver assistance features, including full self-driving, smart parking, trailer assist, and Sentry Mode 360. External cameras offer a live feed to your phone, and the Tesla app allows full remote control of all vehicle functions. The 2026 Tesla Model Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a revolution in travel. Combining sustainable energy, intelligent design, and luxury, it offers a glimpse into the future of mobile living. Whether it's a weekend escape or a year-long road trip, Tesla's motorhome promises to turn the journey into the destination.